Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Sign into Windows with your Microsoft account so purchases and app sync work. Once done, make sure Windows Update and the system clock are accurate because Store checks certificates and versions. Now open Start, type Store, and press Enter to launch it. This begins the process of browsing and installing. Doing these steps avoids common account and validation errors and gets you straight to finding apps without wasting time on settings later. Once the store is open, use the search box to type an app name or browse categories to narrow choices. Filtering helps when there are many results. You should read ratings, the description, and permissions so you know what the app accesses and why, because informed choices reduce uninstall time later. When ready, click Free or Buy. The store shows purchase details and payment options. Make sure the account and payment method are correct before you confirm to avoid failed downloads or unexpected charges. After confirming, the app downloads and appears in My Apps where you can watch progress. Enabling automatic updates keeps apps current without manual checks. You can manage permissions later in PC settings under Privacy, so apps use only what you allow. If installation fails, first sign out and back into the Microsoft account and verify network connectivity. Then run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and apply suggested fixes. Doing these steps resolves most errors and gets you back to using the app quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.